Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Des here, and today we are back with another tutorial. Today I am doing a pixie cut, you know what I'm saying? I once did this hairstyle before and it just came out so good. It made me feel so edgy and just free and sexy. So I wanted to do it again to see if I got the same look. And before I start this tutorial, I just want to quickly tell you guys that if you guys like, I'm just gonna address the elephant in the room. I actually have this cyst on my left wrist, and it has been here since December. And long story short, you guys, I gotta go and get this bitch cut off because she is fucking with my confidence and all that. But you guys, I'm just starting off with some very small braids, and I'm putting my glue protectant on as well as some spritz, and I'm just gonna blow dry it. Y'all already know how I do. Now we got the black wig stocking caps, and I'm just gonna put both of the stocking caps on because I'm trying to protect my hair from this glue as much as possible, because as you guys know, I have been trying to grow my hair out. To keep this wig from sliding back and to keep it from moving and shifting, I'm just going to go ahead and sew that wig cap down, or both of the wig stocking caps down if you must. So the type of hair that we are using today is the Saga Remy Milky Way hair in jet black, and this is the 27 piece. If you don't know about them 27 pieces, then you have been living under a rock, honey, because this is what everybody is doing to get that pixie cut. Okay, we ain't cutting our hair, period. So right here I'm taking that and I'm measuring it from my nape. I guess that's what it's called. I'm measuring the nape out and in a U little shape, and that's pretty much all I did, you guys. I kind of did U's all the way up, and then I just started wrapping the hair around, and you guys will see that in a minute. However, with this second track, you are going to lay it just above the ears on each side of your ears as such. I forgot to mention in the beginning, this hair did come in like 3 bundles, and they are all different sizes. It's one small size, one medium size, and one a large size, like a very, longer piece. And it also comes with a closure piece. So right now I am just laying the smaller pieces, and then I'm gonna go in with the medium, and then I'm gonna go in with the longer pieces, and then the closure on top. As you can see right here, we are going in with our medium size tracks, and I'm just wrapping that around in a circular motion just like this. I don't think I mentioned this in any of my videos. However, I do recommend you use spritz on your quick weaves because it does make your quick weaves last a lot longer than intended. So yeah. Right here, I am just getting rid of that medium size track size, and I am going to go in with my longer pieces. Now you guys, I am going to finish up this circle right here, but let me just tell you guys, I had a whole bunch of hair left over. I don't even understand why, but maybe my mom said she wanted a 27 piece, so maybe I'll do her hair in a 27 piece if she's serious. But yeah. And I apologize for my background sounds. You guys, this dog is acting up. You're acting up, boy. Anywho, you want to make sure you leave enough space for this big ass closure they gave us. This closure is so big, but it fit just perfectly. I'm just going to put a little razzle dazzle glue on there, and then I'm gonna stick it on there. We're gonna spray some spritz on there, and then we're gonna blow dry it. And y'all, that is it with the install, and then we're gonna get to the styling. So you guys, at this point I was like, it's not giving what it's supposed to give, so I just went ahead and cut some of that stocking cap off just so I could lay another track right there in front. That way I can have like a little bang. And I also went in the back of my hair and I put like a medium size piece of track back there because I wanted a little tail, you know what I'm saying, to give me that what they calling them things now? Them shit. It's not a mohawk. Hold on. You guys, it's called mullet, okay? It gives that mullet feel and it just makes the look so much more edgier. This right here ain't down. Okay? Alright. So I'm taking this little comb razor thing that I got from the hair store for like $3, and it is time for shaping. You guys, all I can tell you guys is really just do what you feel like. Do what looks good to you. And please don't get scissor happy like I did. If you like something, leave it the heck alone. I truly feel like this part is really make or break, okay? That's why I'm taking a deep breath in and deep breath out, because I was scared. But you just gotta feel it, okay? You gotta feel it and you gotta do what looks good, okay? So you guys, that is pretty much it for this hair tutorial. And you guys, this is a very short video because it's not even all that, it's not even that hard, okay? And I believe you guys can do it. I couldn't get no videos, but here's some pictures of this pixie cut. If you like it, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.